Hi, are you interested in upgrading your skills for better job opportunities in the field of IT? Are you also interested in learning artificial intelligence? If your answer is yes, then Microsoft has a free course for beginners, and that particular course is called Artificial Intelligence for Beginners. So if you are interested, you can see the web link to that particular free resource on your screen right now. What you need to do is to type in the web link on your browser and then get started. So, what I'm going to do now is to walk you through the list of the topics that are covered in this particular resources. So, let's get started. All you need to do is to open your browser and then type this link there. So you will find yourself at the repo, and then you can see that we have Microsoft slash AI for beginners. So this is the repo where you can get to learn about AI. You can develop yourselves. If you look at it, there are curriculums which have been put there. It contains about 24 topics which you can delve into and learn more about AI and then develop yourself and make way for yourself in the AI space. So, first of all, on the table of content, we have the introduction to AI. You can learn to know the history of AI, and then there's knowledge representation and expert system, which you can see here, and then they proceed further to take you through introduction to neural networks, where you get to learn about perceptrons, and you get to learn about multi-layer perceptron and also creating your own framework. And furthermore, you get to see how to use some of the frameworks that I use to develop these AI models, such as PyTorch and TensorFlow. Then they walk you through computer vision as well. So under computer vision, you will be introduced to OpenCV library. You can see the system topic. OpenCV library you basically use for image manipulation and also for detection as well. Then you proceed further to convolutional neural network, and then you learn more about transfer learning techniques as well. So there is also autoencoder and autodecoder, which are very useful as well. And then the generative adversarial network, which is called GANG, and which is what gave back to the Gen AI that everybody is talking about now. And there is also object detection. And please note as well that you have the test which deals with the explanation, and there is if you want the PyTorch version or you want the TensorFlow framework version. So let's look at the one for object detection. So I can open the one for text. You can read through the explanation for that, and then you can open the one for the TensorFlow, and then the lab as well. You can see what is inside the lab. So if I open the one for the text, you can see object detection, something you can read to give you more background knowledge about object detection as well. You get to see several approach that you can use for data set, for object detection, regression, the metrics that are there. So there is a lot of knowledge pack here for you, which is very free. You don't need to waste your money on any other courses as well. So let's look at the notebook, which is here. The notebooks, there is explanation there. There are cells there which you just run. For you to make use of this notebook, you need to have a Jupyter notebook. Just install Jupyter notebook, and then you can click on the cells, and there are outputs there. You can see the output of each cell is given. This is output for each of the cell. You can get to see the expected output there that is listed there. You will see all of that, and I tell you, there is a lot of knowledge packed in here, and by the time you are done, you know you've learned something. And then the labs are there for you they're just a little tasks for you to do, like you can see here, counting the number of people in the video surveillance camera.
So once you're able to go through the tasks, that solidifies your understanding of that particular topic. Then you are well grounded there. So let's get back there and see some of the topics that's also there. So they proceed also to language, natural language processing, which is NLP. And under that, you get to learn about text representation, semantic and word embedding. You also learn about language modeling as well. There is also recurrent neural networks. There is generative recurrent neural networks. And then the almighty transformer, which is now in use everywhere. Now you get to see that as well. Almighty transformer. And then there is the name entity recognition. There is the large language model also, which is very important now. The ChatGPT and also Llama 2 are based on large language model, where you can send prompts to your queries and then you get response to that. So there are a lot of topics packed in here for you, which you can go through there. You can see there are about 24 topics here that you can learn as well. So for those also who are interested in maybe need a visual form of learning, so you can also visit their YouTube as well. So if you want to get to the YouTube, you can just search for artificial intelligence for beginners, and you can see on the Microsoft developer that is here. So there you can get to watch some of those topics here as well. So this is where we will end it today. So if you are interested, please just visit the website, and then you get to learn many things for yourself. You can improve your understanding about AI. Then you also get more skills to do so many things that you want to. It gives you job opportunity as well. I must say that. So we end it here. So please subscribe to Research and Survey, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.